Hi, this is Paul Gabry with another episode of Ask ZBrush. For this episode, we were sent in the question, is there an easy way to clone a subtool? The answer is yes. It's very easy to clone a subtool. However, since we're talking about this subject, I also want to cover how you can actually copy and paste subtools and even copy and paste tools. So cloning a subtool is relatively easy. You just have the subtool that you want to clone. In this case, I have the female head selected. You come over into your tool palette, and then there's a clone button right here. And you hit clone, and then that's going to clone that subtool. So now if I open up this, you'll see the original has 2 subtools, and then the clone version is right here that only has 1 subtool. Now what I want to highlight as well is you can even copy and paste subtools this way. So I can copy this and paste it again, and you can see now I have 2 heads. Again, I'm going to copy and paste. So if I want to copy these eyes and teeth, copy them and paste them. And see in this scenario, it adds the subtool to the existing tool that is selected. This is relatively the same thing as hitting duplicate here. But what you might want to be able to do is copy this subtool and now come to a new tool. In this case, this was the original cloned one that doesn't have the eyes and the teeth. And now I can just paste that into this tool. So you do have the ability to copy a subtool from one tool and paste it into another tool. Now what you can also do is copy the whole tool and paste it in another project. So I'm going to copy my tool up here in my tool palette. Let's hit the comma key for Lightbox, and let's load a completely different project. I'm going to load now the dog. It's asked me if I'd like to save the changes. I'm going to say no, and now we have the dog loaded, and you'll see I've lost the female heads because now there's a new project that's being loaded. But you can see paste tool is available to me because ZBrush remembered I had copied a previous tool in the other project. In this case was the female head, and now I'm pasting this female head with both subtools in the current project that I loaded, which is my dog project. So now I can switch between the dog and the female head within this project. And if I want to save this so I always have both the female head and the dog, this is where I would go to the file menu and hit save as. This will save a project, so every time I load now, I'll have my female head and my dog. And there you have it. That's how you can clone a subtool, duplicate a subtool, copy and paste a subtool, and even copy a tool and paste a tool in a whole nother project as well. So thank you for watching, and please continue to send your questions to us on Twitter with the hashtag AskZBrush. Again, just ask us a question on Twitter and make sure to put hashtag AskZBrush. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day and happy ZBrushing.